So let's have a look at this 3D style question. You've got a prism here. It tells you that the diagram shows a prism of a triangle cross section. Base is CDEF, which is the horizontal plane. Then the angle between the line AD, so if you get the AD line here that it makes with the horizontal, that's the horizontal one. This angle is 20, and it goes that the angle A to C that it makes with the horizontal line here is 16 degrees. And then it says calculate the length A to C, give your answer to 3 second figures. Now what you want to do, as I've told you always, is when you got a 3D shape, is to break it down into a 2D. So let's do the 2D shape first, where we've been given information about this is A, this is D, and this is E. We know that this length here is 40, which is parallel to this length, so this must be 40 first of all. And then secondly, we've been told that this is 20. So in order to find AC, I need to find what AE is, so I'm going to call that X. So that's my first clue there. You need to find what A to E is. Now you've been given, this is obviously a right angle, okay, triangle, and you can use SOHCAHTOA to use this. So this is the opposite, this is hypotenuse. Those are the only two sides that you need. You don't need the adjacent, there's no information there. So O and H, what is O and H? Well, this is the first triangle on Sunbathing and Holiday. So what you can do is, if you draw that triangle and put the information in, so you got O is X that we need to find, H is 40, and the sine has an angle 20 with it. Cover that X up, so X is equal to sine 20 degrees times 40. So I'm just going to put that in my calculator as it is, sine 20 multiplied by 40, and you should get 13.68. Now that gives me 13.68. So then this makes this triangle here, again I'm changing the 3D into a 2D. That is A, that is E, and that distance all the way going from there, well, not the distance, but that line going to there is C. This angle that it makes with this line, this horizontal line, is 16. This is 13.68, what we just calculated, and we need to find the distance A to C. So this time I'm going to call that Y. Okay. Again, this is a SOHCAHTOA, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, this is a right angle triangle, and again we got the sine triangle with O being 13.68 and H being Y, and sine of angle is 16. So if I want to find what Y is, which is AC, I'll call it AC, cover that up, that means it's 13.68 shared by sine 16, and if you put that in your calculator, just 13.68 divided by sine 16, don't forget to close angle, you get 49. Now I'm going to write all the numbers here, 630 blah blah blah, but it says only to 3 single figures, so you can say AC is equal to 49.6 degrees, and that is it.